watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this new video is how you can learn German at most fast. The fastest ways to learn German language, most quick ways to learn German language. Yes guys, it's gonna be in detail, it's gonna be super duper informative, a lot of information you're gonna know. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan if you're watching me for the very first time. Then my name is Nidhi and I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, interview preparation, brush up classes, like whatever you can think around German. German Gyan is a one-stop solution for all your queries. Let's start the video and we'll catch you in the end. Let's go.
Whether you are traveling to Germany, studying abroad, or just love languages, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, we are going to unlock the most efficient, fun, and smart ways to learn German fast. So the very first question which comes in everyone's mind is why learn German? So German isn't just for German nerds. It's one of the most powerful languages in the world. Spoken in Germany, Austria, Switzerland and parts of Belgium, it's the language of thinkers, engineers and innovators. And learning German opens up doors to the top universities, global companies like BMW, SAP and Siemens, and an incredibly rich culture. So whether you are learning for career, travel, culture or fun, German is a gateway to opportunity. It's logical, powerful, expressive and more accessible than you think. Also, warum nicht? So why not? Your German journey can start today. German immersion from a device. That means you don't need a plane ticket to Berlin to immerse yourself in German. In fact, the most powerful immersion tool in the world is already in your pocket. That is your mobile phone. So the very first thing which you can do is change your device language to German. Whatever you are using, for example phone, computer or apps or browser, just change their languages to German and then you will see and learn common words constantly. For example, Einstellungen means settings, Nachricht means message, Anruf means call. So that's how you will start learning easy words in German. Next is your voice assistant, means change Siri or Google Assistant to German and ask basic commands. For example, wie ist das Wetter means what's the weather, and stell einen Wecker 7 Uhr means set an alarm for 7. So that's how you will start framing your own sentences and you will get the answer in German also. Keyboard suggestion means add the German keyboard for spelling help and umlauts, that is A umlaut, U umlaut and O umlaut. And if you don't want to change your keyboard, then another thing which you can do is just insert command in your Word file. So whenever you want to write those umlauts, you can just simply insert the command. This passive exposure train your brain every time you use your phone. Set clear goals and stay consistent. So success in language learning is achieved through consistency. Staying consistent is the key to mastering German quickly. With daily practice, you can master a daily conversation in German in 3 to 6 months. So break down your learning goals into smaller tasks such as completing German lessons, then practicing vocabulary, then listening to German podcasts and watching German movies or TV shows. This will provide you with the motivation to continue learning and progressing in the language. To make the most of your German language learning, it's crucial to find the best way to learn German that suits your learning style, and here are some options to consider. First one is studying with a professional tutor who provides personalized guidance and support, makes language learning even more efficient and enjoyable. Then, engaging in German clubs and meetups allows you to practice speaking with native speakers and fellow learners. Third, taking online courses can provide structured lessons and interactive exercise to enhance your language skills and cultural understanding. Some essential German grammar rules. So, understanding essential German grammar rules, including tenses, cases, and noun gender, will help you form accurate sentences and communicate confidently. The German language has 6 tenses, which are crucial for expressing time related concepts in your sentences. Additionally, the thrilling 4 cases in German grammar are nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. German language uses 3 genders, that is masculine, feminine, and neutral, and understanding these genders is essential to mastery of German grammar. Die is used for feminine nouns, der for masculine, and das for neutral gender. There are the prepositions for each gender. Being aware of these grammatical aspects will enable you to create accurate and coherent sentences in German. Moreover, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the rules that govern German sentence structures. While simple sentences with a subject, verb, and a direct object are quite similar to English, more complex sentences with modal verb can have a different structure, with the main verb moving to the end of the sentence. By mastering these essential German grammar rules, you will be well equipped to communicate effectively in German. Boost your vocabulary. Techniques and tools. An essential aspect of learning German is expanding your vocabulary. By increasing your German vocabulary through helpful techniques and tools such as flashcards, apps, and focusing on relevant topics, you will become more confident in your conversational skills. Mastering key German verbs, nouns, and adjectives in German is essential for continuing a conversation with a native speaker and gaining further insight into their culture. One useful technique for boosting your vocabulary is to break down longer German words into their simple component. This will allow you to uncover the meaning of more complex words and increase your understanding of the language as a whole. Additionally, setting aside time each day to study German vocabulary will make speaking the language easier and more engaging, opening up a world of possibilities in terms of topics to discuss. And the last thing which you have to do is track your progress, stay consistent, and stay motivated. Learning a language is a journey, and progress often happens before you realize it. So, tracking keeps you focused and motivated. Now, why it is essential? So, it keeps you accountable, shows real improvement, and helps identify what's working or needs changing. And how you do it? So, use a daily habit tracker and log new vocabulary, phrases, and German grammar rules. And third is set mini weekly goals like learn 5 new sentence patterns, watch 2 German videos with subtitles, and write 1 journal entry in German. Then you can also do monthly check-ins. In this, you can record yourself speaking, reread an old text you wrote to see improvement, and use a checklist to mark what you can do now. And remember, celebrate small wins, means finish 7 days in a row, then reward yourself. Mastered a German grammar topic, then watch a German movie night guilt-free.
Guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are learning so much with all the videos we are coming up. Stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan.